Talk about my buddy Alan Johnson. Y'all give him a call if you need that foundation checked out. They also spraying for skeeters these days. 221-4608. Bug stompers. They're ready to go too. Cornerstone to a safer, healthier home. If you've got mold, water under your house, give Alan a call right now. Wake him up. He's ready to go. Join us right now, as Joseph says, our intern, soon to be at Ole Miss. How are you?
I'm good.
All right, this is your second appearance up here on the program. You're from Pulaski, Tennessee. Have you learned anything yet?
I've learned a little bit.
Wherever you go to work after this will not be anything like what's happening in here.
Okay.
No doubt.
Do you have any football questions you'd like to ask me? I seem to know everything.
Oh, yeah. No.
She's learning.
Yeah, still
Our intern, working 1 day a week only. What do you do the rest of the time?
sleep. Sleep late.
Sleep late.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
Hang out at the river.
And babies,
Yeah,
that's
that's
Oro's
Oro's
bone,
bone.
baby.
It is.
Yeah, we're the only morning live program rated #1 that has a kid and a dog on it at the same time. Yeah, Zorro, he's not here, buddy. He's not here.
He's gone.
All right. Joseph, that was good, everything you got there. I'm going to do it now. We've been talking about Facebook just now.
Go check back there. Go check back there.
I'm trying to work here. Don't forget, coming up tomorrow, Off the Grill will be cooking up here. JD will be here bringing all of his world-famous sauces, too. So we'll be eating tomorrow. So tell the rest of us, don't worry. We'll outdo what you do.
I'm glad you didn't say
And
anything
Jim
today.
Connor will be here tomorrow. Jim Connor is a legendary banjo player. He wrote and sings Grandma's Feather Bed. That will appear tomorrow. He performed over at the Renaissance Theater in Decatur. And also, Dr. Tim Melson will be with us. He was running for state senate. He'll be up here tomorrow, sampling some of the food.
Here's that
Is that
music.
I can't believe y'all not heard this.
There's John Denver. Hurry up.
Little bitty boy just across the floor. We used to go out to Grandma's house every month in the so. Have chicken pie and country ham, homemade butter on the bread.
Way to go,
But the
Now
best
you
darn thing
remember.
about Grandma's house was a great big
And anyway, Jim's reading children's books too now about. But let me take time out right now to do a Judge Jamie.
Oh, boy.
I saw this in the paper. Dear Jamie, not Judge Jamie, Dear Jamie. Talking about profiles on dating sites. And Zach's already gone this morning. So really doesn't, you're not on one of these, are you? You too young.
No.
I don't think she has trouble finding it.
I'm an educated decent. I'm going to give some of y'all some tips. Zach would be the perfect one for this. Middle-aged widow who has dated quite a lot through such as a social media group. Yes, it's a jungle out there, Tom, on the internet. It's a wonderful tool for bringing people together. I live in a small town, so the pool of eligible men is smaller here than in most big metropolitan cities. That said, there are a few profiles that attract my attention and any of divorced widows. But gentlemen, here are some pointers I'd like to give to you
Oh, boy.
to put on your profile. Number 1, smile.
True.
And, you know, a bad, don't have an unpleasant, dour-looking, sour look on your face.
Well, that would be true in anything.
They get better. We may want to see you with your shirt off after we get to know you, but not the most appealing, refined pose for a first look.
That's true.
That's true.
Yes.
My wife hates it when men wear tank tops. She
Or
says,
no
I don't want
tops.
to see the
Or wife
underarm.
beaters.
Yeah, she hates that.
But don't be putting, you know, Tom, don't take your shirt off and take a picture
On a
of it.
dating site
On a dating
especially.
site. Don't do that. Be realistic. This is my favorite. If you're a Joe average, we Jane averages would enjoy meeting you. Are you really going to hold out for a model who is a decade or so younger than you? Yes, I would. But then again, that's just me. Be kind to the English language. You don't have to be a genius, but it would be nice to know you can competently communicate in writing.
Oh, yeah, that would be a good thing.
In other words, don't be a total idiot. Idiot. Consider a shave. Some women like men with facial hair. The majority of ones I know do not. 75% of men over 50 have a mustache, beard, or both. Where's she getting these stats, man?
We're
I
all
don't
clean
know.
shaven on here.
Huh?
We're all clean shaven on here.
75% of men over 50 have a mustache, beard. Your dad got any facial hair?
No.
Okay, so you think you're good to
See,
go.
I find that surprising.
If you are married and miserable, for goodness sakes, go to marriage counseling or get a divorce. But please don't deceive women who want to meet a nice guy to share their life with when you're already attached.
Well, why are they on a dating site if they're
Are you
already
telling me
attached?
somebody would lie on one of these dating sites?
They all do.
Duh.
No.
Zach's got him listed at 6 foot 1 inch.
Does he really?
I hope not. No, he does not.
There he is.
Oh, there he is now. Well,
he's
when you
looking
look
pretty
like
tall
that,
there.
I guess you can get away with it.
That's right.
He
You
keeps
can.
losing. He may look like that.
I doubt he's going to grow any taller. Would you got anything else you'd like to say?
No, unless you want me to say something, I don't know.
Is she good?
Yeah, she stays quiet in here while I'm trying to work, mainly.
There's
All
no
right,
craziness.
Kitty Carmel, I guess you've been there many times.
Yeah.
Yeah. I've never made it when they've been open at
Night.
at night, but it's been there since Frank was a kid.
Night, 6:30.
know,
Look at
They didn't even have electricity then.
They've added a lot of nice
We'll be going
buildings
this
up
year.
there now.
Yeah, they have.
Where are they keeping those buildings? I mean, is it just for storage, or is
Yeah,
there things to do in there?
Probably storage, and then they have a lot of food that you can eat too, and they play bingo in one of the rooms.
The opening is tonight at 6.
Yes.
That little ceremony, as Mike and Henry told us up here Tuesday, and then they have the thing at 6:30. I'm sure Mayor Ronnie Marks will probably be over there doing some special proclamation.
Sure.
Matter of fact, he did. Oh, I got to give a shout out this morning to my favorite councilman, Joseph Cannon. This morning sent me this message: have your people, me, get with his people, him. He and Harold Wells, President of the Council, wants to take us to lunch at Dove's.
Because you talked about
Because
it.
I talked about giving away a Dove's burger to the winner. You
Now
been to
that's a
Dove's
good
Burgers yet in
council.
Athens? All right, and when you'll get the mayor to go make Ronnie buy.
We'll just bring him.
We want to find out where the best cheeseburger in Limestone County is. Whether it be a Texaco
cheeseburger
place
right
or
now.
any place, whatever.
That's your
All right.
call.
With that in mind about
Come
the
on.
Kitty Carnival, I was there Saturday morning. Thank you, Frank, for allowing me to back the Hummer out. Here's some of it. If y'all never been,
I'm kidding.
this is what it looks
Bye.
like. See y'all tomorrow.
Okay, Gigi, up.
enough. You can stop me.
Tell me when and I'll speed it up.
Oh, that's all right. That's good enough. Okay, you can let me off now, Mike.
All right. I don't operate this one, but